Okay. Okay, bro. So, considering that a progression of the song, okay, the progression there is make sure your guitar is on the standard tuning. Okay, so the first chord there is the do. Once you bring out the song, it's over. The va you are going to va now. Okay. I knew the va, the Lord has do. And you saw, do, va, do, do. Okay, it's just to touch. Okay, that's from this one is one now. And you va, two, 1, 2, 3, 2. So some notes I applied there is play something like I knew okay, I play from okay. Ba mi re mi okay, do so mi do okay. Ba mi re mi do so mi do. Now coming to the do again, okay. Go to your saw. Do. I play my 7th note, which is a ta there. The 10th string, okay. Play my 7th note, which is a ta there. Let me realize. Okay, now going to a saw chord. Okay, so wherever you don't understand, you can hit me up in the comment section. I'll give you a reply. Okay.